Hey, this is Ken's 3001 with tutorial 2. Today we're going to be putting some rocks and some buildings in, and might show you some other stuff, I don't know yet. Anyway, this is a basic map I just slung together. It's practically like fields, but it might be a bit different later on. Anyway, down to it. Showed you how to do the terrain in tutorial 1, and basically all the green is going to be covered with rock. Certain reason I cut it in like that. No particular other reason I've done that. Anyway, so open up our generic browser. Magic thing. And find UN rock. Fully load it. There we go. Got a load of textures, rocks, and that's practically it there. You got a rock, just like you would a light, except for you add actor instead, then go to add static mesh and static mesh name. Close that for now. And if you notice, it's see-through on one side. That means see-through side you don't particularly want facing out, face it inwards. And you can scale up, scale down, scale tools. Yeah, that's rotation tool. I showed you that last time. Up and down. Make it fatter. Fatter. It's practically that. Right. You've got this thing called location and world. Notice that changes. That is relevant to the world. It's relevant to this X, Y, and Z axis of the world. Notice red, green, and blue. Red, green, and blue. If you put it onto local, it will change to the thing that you have selected. So if I select that, it will change to a world. That's practically it. Alright, let's just find a normal cliff. Right click, add actor. You see this one, you can go all the way around it. These are the ones I tend to use because you can just dump it any way you like. Doesn't really matter, scale it up, scale it down. Just like that. Now because it's fully formed, as you can see all the way around it, right? You can just duplicate the layer. Duplicate, not the layer, the static mesh. Too many Photoshop tutorials. Right, so just by duplicating, right, tell you why I've done that. And press the Alt key. Just press the Alt key and you can duplicate it. Basically, take another one out. Oops. And to tell you the truth, it looks a bit funny having exactly the same one all the time. Right? So there you go. It's different. Little trick. That's basically it for rocks. I'm going to use this entire map as a demo map, as a tutorial map for everyone. So the next time you'll probably see this, it'll be completely rocked out. But as for now, you've seen how I done it. It's just practically the same. Open up anything you want. You can add it. So like blocks 2 now. Oh. And we have different blocks. Even have a tunnel. Right click, add actor rock. I don't even know how the hell that works. Doesn't look too inviting, does it? No, get rid of it. Just press delete. That stuff basically works for anything you want. Not doing weapons. Deco. So loading takes a while. Don't know why. It just does. Probably because there's a lot of stuff there. There we go. And you can add anything you want, ladders. I'll show you ladder volumes later. So I'll be putting a bunker in. See, right click, add actor, there's that. This also works for the buildings. But for the buildings, yeah, the RenX Buildings, you have to use the prefabs. Prefab means pre-made. The buildings are in segments. I'll show you in a minute after this save. Yeah, here we go. Power plant. Oh, it's got to start. Fully load it. There's everything you have to fully load. Might see the airstrips fully loaded. I fully loaded that earlier just to make sure the map was the right size. It's always a good idea to put a building in just for scale. Let's see. Go to your power plant, extend it, and there should be a thing called prefab. Prefab, you have a choice of 3, but really you only have a choice of 2. The middle one says recycle, stump off with that one. And I do believe I want GDI over here, so you don't have to go to active because it's a prefab. It will be in the main menu anyway. And there we go. It's there. You can move it about. Add icon for mod. Oops, that's the thing. If you have prefab or anything else selected, when you right click it, you have a load of other stuff that you can do to that actual prefab. So if you just click the terrain, then you can get back to it. There you go. Right. Something about prefabs. There's a little P up the top. If that's off, right, you can move parts of the prefab. It's not advisable. It's not advisable to do that. One thing, you can mess the prefab up, and second thing, if you save over it, basically everything will be like that then on, unless you reinstall the packages. Let's move it for now. Yeah, it's the same with all the other buildings. Let's find the barracks. You may notice the barracks aren't here. See? No barracks. So we have to load them. So if we go File, Open. Wait half hour because it's slow. And find documents. Okay. Not documents. Documents. Yeah, thank you. And find my games. Unreal Tournament. Renegade. Published. Buildings. And there's your bags. Open that. Find the bags come up on here once it's loaded. Anytime you open something, it will be fully loaded anyway, so you don't have to fully load it. See? Prefab. Click. Right click. Add barracks. For some reason it's flown all the way over there. So get rid of that. Try again. There we go. Right. Again, with prefabs, don't scale. Don't scale them. So if you scale them, it really doesn't do anything. Except in game it might be a bit off the ground or something. It doesn't do anything to the game. So, no scaling. Don't scale. Not a good thing. You can twist and turn. Undo. Find the hand and nod. Oh, it's not there. Open. It's already in that package. Hand and nod's the big no-no. Just hand. RenX hand. There we go, there's a prefab. Right click. Add hand and nod. There's your hand. Dump that there for now. And there's your buildings. I'll show you how to set up the refinery and the harvesters in another tutorial because it has to do with path nodes, and I'm pretty sure I'm running out of time on this. Right, that's basically it.